Parsley tea benefits: detox the liver, clear your skin, lose water weight. Scientifically known as Petroselinum crispum, the parsley plant is an easily recognized and widely used plant, often as a garnish, but more and more for its impressive medicinal benefits. The two variants you have likely seen are curly and Italian parsley, both of which have similar chemical makeups and medicinal applications. The diverse blend of minerals and volatile compounds found in parsley provide its powerful impact on human health, which is why parsley tea is becoming such a popular natural remedy. Parsley tea health benefits. The health benefits of parsley tea include anti-inflammatory, anti-tumor, anti-cancer, antioxidant, stimulant, antispasmodic, relaxant, and detoxifying properties. These benefits are derived from the wide range of minerals, nutrients, and antioxidants in this tea, such as iron, vitamin A, B, and C, as well as eugenol, limonene, apigenin, luteolin, and other active compounds. Treats respiratory distress. This herbal tea is often recommended for people suffering from asthma or other respiratory conditions. Beta-carotene has directly been linked to lowering asthma risk, while the other infection-fighting compounds in the tea help loosen phlegm and mucus, and neutralize the underlying bacterial infection that may be causing the congestion. Prevents tumor. Myristicin is one of the volatile compounds found in parsley oil, which is released in small quantities while brewing parsley tea. This antioxidant has been directly linked to the prevention of tumor formation, specifically in the lungs, where cancer occurs very frequently. Lowers cancer risk. Aside from its anti-tumor properties, parsley tea also benefits from a range of flavonoids and other chemoprotective compounds that can neutralize carcinogens before they can do damage to tissues and stimulate apoptosis or cell death in healthy cells. This can significantly lower your risk of cancer, in conjunction with the other antioxidants found in this tea. Boosts immunity. Potent concentrations of vitamin C and vitamin A in this tea make it a masterful immune booster. Vitamin C can stimulate the production of white blood cells and act as an antioxidant to counter the cancer-causing effects of free radicals, while protecting the body against a number of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Increases circulation. Being rich in iron, parsley tea is an excellent way to improve circulation in the body and prevent weak blood, also known as anemia. Iron is a critical part of red blood cell production, which can help bring oxygenated blood to cells that need nutrients and oxygen for repair and function. The high calcium level in parsley tea also helps the body better uptake iron, further helping circulatory problems. Folic acid. Parsley tea is high in folic acid, a critical B family vitamin that is proven to reduce the likelihood of neural tube defects in infants. Folic acid is also the main compound that neutralizes homocysteine in the body, a compound that can do damage to the blood vessels and increase the risk of heart disease. Vision booster. Vitamin A is a key nutrient for our overall health, and it also functions as an antioxidant, particularly in relation to vision health. Vitamin A is derived from beta-carotene found in parsley and can prevent oxidative stress in the eyes, lowering your risk of developing cataracts and preventing macular degeneration. Detoxifying power. Parsley tea is known as a diuretic substance, meaning that it can stimulate urination and the general cleansing of the bladder and kidneys. Diuretics help the body to rapidly eliminate excess toxins, fats, salts, and water and reduce the strain on the kidneys. Parsley tea is linked by numerous studies to lower occurrence of bladder infections and kidney stones. Eases menstruation. Dysmenorrhea affects women all over the world, along with a number of other menstrual symptoms. Parsley tea is commonly used to mitigate the effects of menstruation, due to the presence of apiol, one of the compounds in parsley's essential oils. Apiol can help to regulate monthly periods and lessen their severity, particularly in the months after a woman gives birth. Breath freshener. Famously, parsley is used to freshen the breath and does have certain antibacterial properties that make it great for oral health. There is a reason why parsley is so often used as a garnish in restaurants. Parsley tea can offer the same benefits to your breath. Fluid retention. Studies have shown that parsley seeds can function as a diuretic, help increase our excretion of water, and so can help us with mild cases of fluid retention or edema. Feel free to add some seeds to the tea recipe below. It's important to remember that severe edema can indicate an underlying problem such as a sluggish lymph system, kidney issues, or adrenal fatigue, so make sure you contact a qualified healthcare professional if it persists even with the tea. Skin and liver health. It's almost impossible to have healthy skin if our livers are congested or damaged. Luckily, this humble herb has a protective effect on our livers, and that means we can detoxify to full capacity and keep our skin glowing brightly. It's also a great source of vitamin C, which we need to build collagen, the substance that keeps our skin smooth and supple. Parsley and lemon remedy to combat water retention. Water retention is a common metabolic disorder in women. It's not quite a disease, it's more of a sign that something isn't right in your body. If you have a swollen abdomen, ankles, or legs, you might need to see a doctor. It could be hormones or poor diet, but experts say water retention can cover up a kidney, liver, or circulation issue. This doesn't mean that it's necessarily a serious problem, but your body isn't properly removing toxins or other liquids. That's why it's so important to diagnose. Luckily, this common issue is definitely reversible by improving your lifestyle habits and overall health. Today, we're going to show you a great remedy to combat water retention. The lemon and parsley in it will help you get back to a much better balance with your body, and you'll feel great. Water retention, a very common problem. There are some people who are more susceptible to water retention. It's common in people with one or more of these conditions or particularities. Circulation problems are almost at the stage of menopause, as this often brings with it various episodes of water retention. Have heart disease, are overweight or obese, have undergone various hormonal changes due to medication, have hypothyroidism, spend a lot of time standing. If you identify with one or more of these, then there are several things you can do to prevent water retention. The first thing, like we mentioned earlier, is to see your doctor. Secondly, you need to follow any treatment that they prescribe or recommend. Last but not least, you need to improve your diet. You can use a natural remedy to combat water retention, but no remedy is powerful enough to work on its own. You have to have healthier habits too. In people with heart, kidney, or vascular conditions, one of the most important things is to restrict salt consumption. There's also a few other things you need to take into account. Water retention becomes more common as you get older and your veins lose elasticity. When this happens, neither your kidneys or liver effectively remove water and toxins from the body. Plus, if you've lived a life you've had to stand a lot because of work, for example, that usually just makes the problem worse. Don't forget that certain behaviors and habits can make proper body drainage more difficult. A parsley and lemon remedy to combat water retention. This simple remedy will help you reach the end of the day in a healthier state. It's easy to prepare and will help you restore the balance in your kidneys. It's good for combating water retention because of the combination of parsley and lemon. Lemon is a citrus that can do a ton of different things for your health. A good organic, pesticide-free lemon is like a treasure trove of benefits. Lemon is one of the best fruits in terms of vitamin C, citrates, malates, and potassium. These elements, especially the vitamin C, will help you to take care and maintain entire generations of tissues and cells in your body. If you have edema or water retention, then try to combat them with this remedy. You should drink between 2 and 3 glasses of this parsley and lemon remedy every day. It will also detoxify your body because it's a great diuretic. How to make parsley tea. Now you know that the parsley tea benefits are plenty, so it's time to make your own. Ingredients: 2 liters filtered water, 4 loose cups chopped parsley, leaves and stems, squeeze or slice of lemon optional, honey, to taste optional. Directions: in a medium saucepan, bring water to a boil. Once boiled, remove from heat and add parsley. Cover and let steep 10 to 20 minutes. Strain out parsley and mint leaves. Stir in honey and lemon, optional. Drink your first glass on an empty stomach. Drink the next 2 glasses half an hour before lunch and dinner. You can use this remedy to combat water retention 7 days in a row once a month, or with at least 10 days in between. Can be stored in the fridge for up to 4 days. This powerful tea should not be used by everyone, particularly pregnant women, those with pre-existing kidney disorders, and people using blood-thinning medications. Well, it looks like parsley is going to become one of the main events at my meal times, as opposed to being relegated to garnish status. What's your favorite way to enjoy parsley? Let me know in the comments. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.